In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana tasks to Google Sheets with two-way sync. 5 minutes. If you want a living spreadsheet that stays in sync with your Asana project, you're in the right place. We'll sign into Asana, grab the sync link, and connect it to Google Sheets so your tasks flow in automatically, and updates can move both ways using the Asana Exports add-on. Start by heading to the Asana login page, enter your email address, click Continue, then enter your password and log in. Once you're on your Asana homepage, open the project you want to sync. This ensures you're exporting exactly the task list you need, including fields like assignee, due date, and status. Inside the project, open the Actions drop-down menu. From there, choose Sync, Export, and then select Sync to Google Sheets. Asana will show you a special link for this project sync. Click the link icon to copy it. This link is what ties your project to the spreadsheet, so keep it handy for the next step. Now switch over to Google Sheets and open a sheet where you want the data to appear. At the top, click Extensions. Look for Asana Exports and choose the option to sync with Asana. When the pop-up appears, paste the link you copied from Asana and confirm. Google Sheets will start fetching your project data and lay it out in a table. The first load can take a moment depending on the size of your project, so give it a bit of time. Once the data arrives, you should see your tasks with their key fields. Avoid deleting or renaming the core headers that the add-on creates, as those are used to keep the sync reliable. If you need to add your own analysis, place calculations in separate columns to the right so they don't interfere with the sync. Because this setup supports two-way sync through the add-on, edits you make to supported fields in the sheet can flow back to Asana. Make small changes first to confirm the connection, like updating a due date or status, and then check the project in Asana to see the update reflected. If changes don't appear, run the add-on again from Extensions to refresh the sync. That's it. You've connected your Asana project to Google Sheets, copied the sync link, and set up a two-way connection with Asana Exports. Use this sheet as your live dashboard and let the sync do the heavy lifting while your team keeps moving.